Assalamualaikum and a very good day to panel 1 Dr. Hamali bin Boyjang and panel 2 Dr. Muhammad Nazri bin Muhammad. My name is Muhammad Aisamuddin Rabani bin Jasman, under supervisor of Muhammad Azlan bin Muhammad. So today I will present about my project Puree bread molder development for small and medium food processing industry. Background of study: Puree bread that originally invented in India have been international food since then, including Malaysia, and a few industries that take opportunity to make the Puree bread as a commercial brand and sell as a frozen food. The Aura Creatives Namrahat is a small medium enterprise has manufactured the frozen fruit Puree bread since 2015 to small market around Johor, Malaysia. The company are using two type of machine, which is a dough mixer and dough molder to cut the dough into desired shape. Picture of product and tool. This is the Puree bread produced by the Aura Creative. On the left is dough mixer machine, and on the right is dough cutter machine. This is the machine used to produce the Puree bread. Problem statement: overpressure causes a conveyor belt unstable. The situation is the current cutter machine are using hydraulic punch. Before the dough go through cutting process, the dough will go through flatten process, which is at the same conveyor. After the dough are flattened, it will continue through hydraulic molder. The main problem is when hydraulic molder punch the dough on the platform, the conveyor will be tight, so the dough on the flattened process that on the same conveyor will be flat thinner. At the point of the hydraulic cutter punch the dough will be wavy. Therefore, the final product will be defect. This situation causing the machine cannot be used, and from that it will wasting some space on the production line. Now, the molding process are using manual molding process only by hand. Objective: to design, develop and implement the new design into the Puree bread molder machine and production line. The second one is to measure the effectiveness of the new molder machine in terms of productivity efficiency. What Encik Hassan said is, I really hope that the machine can be used so I can take more order from customer. The project scope: this study will compare suitable material for the molder. After that, fabricate and implement the molder to the machine in order to analyze the processing improvement. The project does not involving other machine that already perfectly working, minor changing in molding mechanism that will improve the productivity and reduce cost. The limitation is the design of the molder only, designed for Puree bread production line in the Aura Creative company. Those may not suitable for other company. Product characteristic: Puree bread dough molder. Roller molder design. This is the design that I follow from the book Sauce, Biscuit, Cookies and Cracker Production. The roller molder can cut consistently with equal pressure and continuous cutting. The molder roll may be engraved bronze roll or steel roll with plastic inserting. The material: PTFE or Teflon. PTFE or Teflon is inert to all chemical, non-flammable, non-toxic and working temperature range -270 to 260 Celsius. The Teflon has an extremely low coefficient of friction and it applied as non-stick coating. And the stainless steel roller body. The stainless steel were invented on purpose of overcoming the corrosion problem that really major concern in food and many more other industry. This is morphological analysis. The roller design is constant. The different body support refer on the option in morphological chart. As you can see on the table on the right, is the option that I choose to create 3 concept design before I choose which one is suitable for the machine. This is Adobe development sketch. The first one are using common pillow bearing, simple design, no spring, gear mechanism. And the second one is using flange pillow block bearing, using H-shaped holder, has no spring, belting mechanism. And the third one is using UTC pillow block bearing and shape holder, adjustable roller, and chain mechanism. The final design has chosen by using the concept screening. As you can see on the table, the concept C has shown the highest score to be developed using the criteria that I choose to give the score, which one to suitable. So it come up with final design, the most suitable design, using spring to exert pressure, adjustable roller to maintain effectiveness, and chain mechanism more clean and easy to maintain. This is the cat design. On the left is the roller and the right is the holder for the roller. And this is development process. As you can see on the left, the Teflon is cut using lathe machine, and then the roller were using grinding and welding process to develop the roller. And then I assemble all the item. After finish assemble the roller, and then I install the roller into the machine. And on the right, as you can see, the machine is ready to be tested and run to the production. And this is the video that you can see. The video I show you, this is the first one, is the flatten process. After the dough is flattened, it's put on the conveyor of the molder machine, and it will cut to the desired shape like that. So this is a good product. Bottleneck improvement analysis. I have successfully eliminated the previous bottleneck problem. As you can see from the molding process on the table, it took only 4.18 minutes to finish one batch of Puree bread production. We are using the same ratio, the same amount of flour, which is 7.5 kilo, same as like usual for every batch. This is before improvement on the left, and this is after improvement on the right. The before process, it took 18 minutes to complete because of the manual molding process using hand. And now there are no more bottleneck problem on the molding process, because as you can see, major changing and major decreasing time on the process. Next is productivity efficiency improvement analysis. After a week data have been collected, this is a new output. I am focusing on the total pack of Puree bread produced. For new production, we have produced 170 pack a day compared to previous, only 120 pack only. 50 pack more than usual production. After calculated the productivity, we produce 42 pack in an hour compared to previous, which is 30 pack only. And using the productivity efficiency formula, we get 40% improvement from the development of the roller molder. This is such big increasement. As you can see, improvement process diagram. On the top, you can see the third process is manual molding process using hand, and at the bottom I changed to the automatic molding process using machine. So now the machine can be used to increase the production for Puree bread production. And the conclusion, the project has successfully increased the productivity efficiency of the our creative Puree bread production by 40%, which is 180 pack a day. And it is recommended for the company to increase the working time, add more working station and the production, increase manpower and additional machine to the production. And the project potential, it an opportunity for another small medium enterprise SME to expand their business and industry. The Aura Creative itself has potential to expand the business with opening more franchise and branch around Malaysia by duplicating the machine and system. Also can fulfill larger market demand. So that is all from me. On the right you can see Encik Hassan with me at the end of the project, and successful to complete the project and increase the production. Thank you.